Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone on special follow on Bigo Live. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Bigo Live application. Make sure you are logging to your Bigo Live account. Now tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the following option. Now select the person that you would like to add on special follow list. To add someone on special follow list, tap on the star icon with plus icon on it. And this is how you can add someone on special follow on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.